All right, so that is our daily chicken chore routine. Chris went ahead and pulled out all the feed and the water and the, oh, sorry, have a little tag along with us. So he pulled out all the stuff and got it all ready while I was feeding the baby. And then we came out and moved the coop. We move it every day or two, depending on how it's raining weather, whatever. And then we move them to fresh grass every day so that they get fresh grass and bugs daily. That's important. That's part of our whole deal, that our chickens are getting exactly what they're supposed to get when they forage. So that is our daily chores. So hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Have a good one.